Today we are going to read some DR sound words, words that begin with DR. The sound of DR is dr, dr. So let's start reading with me. Drag, drag. Drag का अर्थ घसीटना. If you drag a heavy object, you pull it along the ground. Drain, drain. का अर्थ बहना या बहाना. A drain is a pipe that carries water away, or if a liquid drains away, it flows slowly to the somewhere else. Drake, drake. A drake is a male duck. Drank, drank. Drank का अर्थ पिया या पीना. Drank is the past tense of drink. Draw, draw. ड्रॉ का अर्थ पेंसिल की सहायता से चित्र बनाना. When you draw, you use something like a pencil or crayon to make a picture or a pattern. Dread, dread. Dread का अर्थ आशंकित होना. If you dread something, you feel worried and frightened about it. Dream, dream. Dream का अर्थ कल्पना करना या सपने देखना. When you dream, you see events in your mind while you are asleep. Dress, dress. Dress का अर्थ पोशाक. When you dress, you put on your clothes. Drew, drew. Drew का अर्थ खींचा. Drew is the past tense of draw. Drift, drift, drift. का अर्थ बहाकर या उड़ाकर ले जाया जाना. When something drifts, it is carried along slowly by wind or water. Drill, drill. A drill is a tool for making holes. Drive, drive. If someone drives a vehicle, they make it move and control it. Drop, drop. Drop का अर्थ गिरना या गिरावट. If you drop something, you let it fall, or a drop is a tiny amount of liquid. Drought, drought. Or you can say drought का अर्थ सूखा. A drought is a long period of time when no rain falls. Drug, drug. का अर्थ औषधि. A drug is a substance that is used to treat or prevent disease. Drum, drum. का अर्थ ढोल. A drum is a musical instrument which you hit to make a noise. Drink, drink. का अर्थ pina. Dry, dry. Dry का अर्थ सूखा. Something that is dry has no water in it at all. FR sound fr, fr, fr. So let's start reading with me. Fragile, fragile. फ्रेजाइल का मतलब होता है नाजुक. Something that is fragile is easily broken or damaged. Fragment, fragment, fragment. Fragment का अर्थ होता है टुकड़ा. A fragment of something is a small piece or part of it. Frame, frame. फ्रेम का अर्थ होता है ढांचा. A frame is the part of surrounding something like a window or picture or the lenses of a pair of glasses. Freeze, freeze, freeze का मतलब होता है जमकर ठोस हो जाना. If a liquid freezes, it becomes solid because the temperature is low. Fresh, fresh, fresh का मतलब होता है नवीन या ताज़ा. If the food is fresh, it has been picked or made easily. Friction, friction. Friction का अर्थ होता है घर्षण बल. Friction is the force which is produced when two surfaces rub against each other. Friend, friend, friend का मतलब होता है दोस्त या मित्र. A friend is someone you know well and like very much. Fright, fright, fright का मतलब होता है डर. Fright is the sudden feeling of fear. Frighten, 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 frighten का मतलब होता है आतंकित या डरा हुआ. If something frightens you, it makes you afraid. Frog, frog, frog का मतलब होता है मेंढक. From, from, from का मतलब है से. From tells you where someone or something started. For example, the river flows from the north. Front, front, front का मतलब होता है किसी चीज़ के सामने या सम्मुख. The front of something is the part that face forward. Frown, frown, frown का मतलब होता है त्योरियां चढ़ाना. If you frown, your eyebrows are drawn together. People frown when they are angry, worried or thinking hard. Frozen, frozen, frozen का मतलब होता है जमा हुआ या जम गया. Frozen is the past tense of freeze. Fruit, fruit, fruit का अर्थ होता है फल. Fry, fry, fry का अर्थ होता है तला हुआ. Frequent, frequent, if something is frequent it happens often. उम्मीद है आज का यह वीडियो आपके लिए हेल्पफुल रहा होगा. बने रहिए पेपर पेंसिल एकेडमी के साथ. आज के इस वीडियो को अपना समय देने के लिए आपका बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद.